Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now today's recipe is one of my personal favorite recipes. It's an all-time favorite. Now, I've enjoyed this right through my childhood days and I enjoy it even now. This is Pav Bhaji. I'm sure many of you would have tried this recipe, but today we're going to do it street style, full-on street style. So let's get started and check out this delicious street style Pav Bhaji recipe. For the Pav Bhaji, first I'm going to cook a few vegetables. To the pressure cooker, add 3 large potatoes that have been cleaned, peeled and cut into pieces, 3 medium-sized carrots chopped, 1 cup of fresh green peas and 1 small cauliflower that's been cut into small florets. Season it with salt, ¼ teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add 2 cups of water. Close the pressure cooker and cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. So you can see the vegetables are cooked beautifully. Now I'm going to just mash it with a potato masher. So make sure the vegetables are nice and soft. So mash the vegetables nicely and keep it aside. To make the Pav Bhaji Masala, I'm using this nice large iron skillet or tawa. To this I'm going to add about 100 grams of unsalted butter. So as you can see, I'm trying to actually recreate the street style Pav Bhaji Masala. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, add 3 large onions finely chopped. Keeping the flame on high, saute the onions. So you can see the onions have got a lovely golden brown color to it. Now I'm going to add the green chilies. For this recipe, I've taken 3 large green chilies chopped, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. So after adding the ginger garlic paste, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 5 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Next, add all the spice powders, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, ¼ teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 4 teaspoons Pav Bhaji Masala powder. So you can adjust the spices according to the quantity of the masala that you are making. After adding all the spice powders, now I'm going to add 1 large capsicum that's been finely chopped. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add cooked and mashed vegetables. So mix it all in along with the masala. Next, add about ½ cup of water. Pav Bhaji masala is coming together beautifully. So I'm just going to mash the vegetables. So once you've mashed the vegetables, let it simmer for about 5 minutes. At this point, you can check for seasoning. If you need to add any salt, you can add that. So after 5 minutes, the Pav Bhaji masala is ready. So here are a couple of tips for you guys. So in case the masala becomes very thick, don't worry about it. Just add a little bit of hot water to get the right consistency. So usually in restaurants, the color is very rich and red because they add a little bit of food coloring. But when you're making at home, make sure you make with all the natural ingredients. So don't worry about the color. The flavors are more important. So the Pav Bhaji masala is done. Keep this aside. So now we're going to toast the pav buns. Take a tawa, just add a little butter, cut the buns into half. Just add a little butter on top of the buns. So once you've got a nice golden color, just flip it to the other side. Once you toast the pav, serve it immediately, nice and hot along with the masala, and make sure you serve it with all the accompaniments. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious street style Pav Bhaji Masala. Now I really enjoyed making this and sharing this recipe with you guys. Hope you all will try it and enjoy at home. there you go. Here is a simply delicious pav bhaji that you can make anytime. Now this is very quick and easy to make, so if you're having friends over, if your family members, you want to try something different, it's great for a nice evening meal. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.